All right, my fellow investors, welcome to the channel. So in this channel, what we talk about is money, money, money. All right, so how to go out there and get money, and most importantly, how to invest it to create financial freedom for yourselves and your family. All right, more specifically in this video, we're talking about Shiba Inu. So what is Shiba Inu? It's basically designated in the investment community as the Dogecoin killer. All right, because some of these claims that I'm going to be going over. So essentially what it is, it's an Ethereum based cryptocurrency that features the Shiba Inu dog. All right, so it's also a meme coin similar to that of Dogecoin. Some of the early claims here, our investors of Shiba Inu are now billionaires, all right, due to this massive uptrend that has been creating over the last year. As you guys can see here, so just over the last year, guys, it's up 87 million%, all right? Just to show you how powerful that is, for every 100%, you essentially double your money 870,000 times, guys, all right? That's how powerful this little coin has become. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you some powerful patterns that it's creating. All right, as you guys can see here, multiple bull flags have been developing within this cryptocurrency, and I anticipate higher prices to come. All right, guys, once these breakouts start to occur. You can see here the only drawback of Shiba Inu that might hold the price action down for a while would be the amount of coins in circulation. All right, so there's over 400 trillion coins in circulation, guys. You know how many zeros are in a trillion? Go ahead and figure that out, guys. That's how many coins are in circulation. So the main requirement to move this price even higher is going to be tremendous volume, guys, or basically people just holding on to their coins, creating an issue with supply and demand. All right, so when there's little supply, once the supply starts to dwindle, demand will overtake supply. That'll essentially cause the price action to propel even higher. The market capitalization is at $28 billion. All right, an early claim here is that a Shiba Inu investor turns $8,000 into $5.7 billion, guys. Imagine that. Major jackpot. That type of gain basically comes maybe once in a lifetime. All right, so go ahead and stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you could create maybe not the 5.7 billion, but a massive fortune for yourself as well. All right, with these patterns that are developing within Shiba Inu. Let me go ahead and break down the price action of Shiba Inu. All right, let me go ahead and remove these moving averages so we can get a little more accurate representation. As you guys can see here, so this is before the major takeoff as well. You guys can see here it was at point, so 5 zeros out and a 5, guys. It was even lower than that. That's how people were able to generate an 87 million% return on this coin. All right, so let's just go out here. If you guys are familiar with investing or have heard of the bull flag pattern, go ahead and comment below. That way you guys can let me know what you guys think, if there's going to be another breakout or a false breakout. All right, a bull flag pattern, guys, is one of the most powerful patterns out there in all of investing. All right, so what tends to happen is that the price tends to break out. You guys can see here, it did the first action here, broke out, started creating a price channel between these levels of resistance and support here. Once the price action started to funnel within these two resistance and support lines, basically what happened, enough demand came in here to propel even higher. So there was something that's called a breakout to the all-time high of 0.000885. All right, guys, so once it broke out from there, it's repeating the same pattern again, creating this channel of resistance here and this level of support here. So the price action is being channeled within here, creating energy to do what I believe is going to be another leg higher. So you definitely want to be in there before it breaks out. I'm not telling you to invest. However, I'm telling you the possibilities that might be right around the corner. So if you guys have a couple $100 to invest, a couple of thousand, this could generate you substantial gains. Maybe not as the early investors because they were way in it before anyone knew about it, creating those substantial gains for themselves. However, there's still a lot of money to be made within Shiba Inu. If you guys can afford to give up $100 to create the potential of maybe a couple $1 million, would you take that chance? Absolutely. So I have over 20,800,000 Shiba Inu coins. So I'm basically just waiting for this price action to occur. Like I said, I'm anticipating a future breakout to create another leg higher, maybe 10x, 20x, 30x, maybe 100x my money. My position would be at $208,000 if it were to go to 1 penny. So if it goes to $1, guys, we're talking about $20 million. Tell me you won't take those gains, man. 1,000 to 20 million any day. Eyes closed, whatever you want to say, blindfolded, whatever, guys. Just like I'm saying, there's still a lot of potential within this coin. All it takes is basically for supply and demand to kick in. So the basic rule of economics, once demand starts to overtake supply, you're going to see this coin just rip higher and higher, and definitely take some profits along the way. Don't be like Dogecoin, buying in at the top or buying in low, not selling high, waiting for it to crash down another 50%. Once this cryptocurrency takes off, there'll be a major pullback as well. So you definitely want to take gains along the way. All right, don't be shy. Remember, you didn't have that money until you realize it. So you need to sell, guys. so that you're able to capture the gains and realize the profits. All right, guys, so if you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, that we can share information with as many investors as possible to create financial freedom for yourselves, your families, and your friends, guys. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video.